In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditics website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks which is potential for trading tomorrow based on the options flow. The first stock will be in NVIDIA. Second stock will be IVV. The third stock will be mRNA. And then we also have one more COTY. This IVV doesn't have the option flow data, so we're going to look at COTY. Okay, so let's look at the first stock. It's NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, okay, it has good revenue but the PE ratio is a little high, so you have to do the analysis what you want to do. So for example, support resistance, so it basically bounced it basically pierced through the support and then it's going up, so it could go up to the top of this channel here, so this top here. Okay, so now let's look at the projection is upward also. So technically this looks sound because MACD also is reversing. So let's look at AI. AI is bullish. Let's look at option flow. Option flow is also bullish. Algo is also bullish. So 41 million calls and 7 million puts. So if you look at the stock is at 217, you can see a lot of calls on 215, 210, 220, 217. There's a lot of green here from 207 to onwards. There's a lot of green. There's also a lot of reds. So put volume is 6 entries. So let's look at the number of orders. Okay, so 41 orders for 210, 215, 215, 217, 220. That's the range. 210 to 220 is the range. Stock is at 217. 220 will be a good target for you to aim for. Next stock will be okay, so this also has good revenue. This is basically the COVID stock, support resistance level. It's basically taking U-turn. It could go up to this range. So here it's basically bounced off the support level and is going to go to the resistance level. Okay, it's a good spot to buy. Let's look at the projection. It's upwards. So let's look at the AI. A is all negative. Flow is bearish. Algo is also bearish. Technically it's bullish. You can see 10 million puts, 8 million calls. So the stock is at 331. There's a lot of puts at 300. You can see that orders for put volume. Let's see the orders for put volume, orders for call volume. So it looks like call volume. There's a lot of call volumes at 330, 335, 340, 400. A lot of put volume also. Let's look at open interest. Open interest 1500, 7000. Okay. So flow point of view, it is negative. Technically, it looks positive. So next stock is, for the next stock, COTY. Let's look at support resistance level. So it is at the, it's basically it's going to hit the resistance level here. Okay, so it's fall away from support level. It has to cross the VWAP and hit the resistance level. So it has potential to go up. So let's look at projection. Projection is saying sideways. Okay, let's look at the algo. Algo is positive. So flow is 100% bullish. Algo is also bullish. $7.6 million calls. There's no puts at all. So stock is at 7.6. There's a lot of calls on 8, 9. You see number of orders, right? So everything is above 7.6. One order for 7, rest of them are below, above 7. So it's a good potential to go up. So here with the stock NVIDIA, so you can see that monthly, weekly, 4-day, 3-day, 2-day are all up. Okay. So it's basically there's a CPR which is above, so it's this potential to go up. You can see that it's already trending up, also green here. So it may have reached its potential now, and it may retrace a little bit back. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. So potential is for it to go up because CPR is up. So here we are in stock Madonna. This is a 1 hour chart. So you can see that weekly CPR is above, and then but the only thing is it is hitting the support resistance level here, pivot point resistance level here. But the CPR is up, so there is potentially going to go up tomorrow. Okay, COTI is similar structure, but the CPR is lower than the previous one. The weekly CPR is narrow, so there's potential that it could go down next week. So here it is coming across, it's hitting the CPR. So it could, this CPR could be a resistance for it to go up. So temporarily it may stall and go down after it hits the CPR. So it's also a similar setup like NVIDIA. It looks like you have to be cautious before when it hits the CPR. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe.